my channel. In this video I want to show you how I achieve my go-to autumn look, because well, it is kind of autumn, well it is autumn in South Africa right now, and I just want to show you my look that I actually reach out for on a daily basis when I go out. It's very simple, it's very quick. I did get quite a few requests on that look on Instagram because I did post the picture last week, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So that's what I'm here for today. I'm going to show you how I achieved that look. So let's get started. So first and foremost, I'm going to base my lids using the Balm Cosmetics concealer. Oh, and I did do my foundation off camera because I just wanted to show you the eyeshadow look. My foundation routine hasn't changed much so far, so I just wanted to show you the eyeshadow look and how I finish off the look. Should my foundation routine change anytime soon, I'm just gonna do a video on the updated look. So that's why I have done my foundation off camera. Next, I'm going to set my lids using my Essence mattifying compact powder, because I just want to bring back the color of my eyelids. I'm not going to mattify it, I'm just going to set it a little bit so that my eyeshadow doesn't crease. Next, I'm going to go in with my transition color, which is this orange. I'm going to mix these two orange colors. I'm going to go just above my crease. And then I'm going to go in my crease with this brown shade. Using a fluffy brush. And then I'm going to go back in with my transition shade just to reinforce. Next, I'm going to go in with this mauve shade, and I'm going to mix it with this darkish purple shade. Those are my lid colors. So I'm going to pat in on the lid. Just above the crease. It's windy today. It's very windy. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my crease color and blend those harsh lines. The transition color again. Just to give it a pop. Okay, next I'm going to highlight my brow bone area using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm going to use the color Hot Sand. I really love Hot Sand for autumn. Give you a golden, beautiful golden color. Blend it out. I'm not even sure if I had a wing liner on. See? Yes, I did have. So next I'm gonna use my LA Girl gel liner, which I can't find. Okay, I'm just gonna use my Kajal liner. This is what I do when I can't find my gel liner. I use my Kajal pencil liner gel thing, and I just take my angled brush and swipe it around. Next I take a flat brush and then I go in that liner with a black eyeshadow. Kajal liners are a bit oily, so I set my wing line with black eyeshadow just to make it darker and just to set it. And then next I'm going to go in my lashes with my MAC Zoom Lash mascara. But I prefer to use the sample because it's a little bit smaller. Well, it's much smaller, and the brush is tiny and it goes into the lashes like thoroughly. So I'm going to use my sample MAC Zoom Lash. Next I'm going to go in with my eyelashes. I've taken them out of the casing, so I'm using MAC eyelashes. I don't know what size they are, so I'm going to use these eyelashes, and then I'm going to use my Lash Fix Clear Finish Strip Lash Adhesive by Eyelure. Okay, while the glue dries out, I'm just gonna move on. Next I'm going to highlight my cheekbone area, going back in with that hot sand, this time with a combination of amber gold. Fix that blush. Lately I also like to highlight a little bit on my chin and dust off a little bit on my forehead and above my brows. And then I bring the look together with my MAC Studio Fix. And then I'm going to go in my waterline with Rimmel's black eyeliner pencil. On my lips, I'm going to use NYX's Lingerie lip color in Embellishment. I overuse it. The label has been wiped off. it's even finished. And then I line my lips with MAC's Chestnut. Lately I have this thing of going over my lips with a dark pressed powder or a loose powder, just to give my lips an interesting look. I'm using LA Girl's loose powder in Espresso. And it lasts longer. I really like my lips mattified. Regardless of how matte the lipstick is, I just go over it with loose powder anyway. So now we're gonna seal this look with a setting spray.